Hey guys, it's the Master Stylist and welcome back to my channel. This is a really quick tutorial, just how to do a soft wave pixie. Of course, I'm using Name It foam. Y'all should know by now it's the only foam I use. And with my last video, we kind of did the waves where we disconnected them. We didn't connect the waves because that was the style that I was going for, but she is doing something a little different. I like to call it the soft wave pixie. I don't know exactly what it's called. You know, make up your own names. But with this style, we are connecting the waves. But even still, with connecting them, I still do them in sections and just connect them as I go. Instead of trying to do the whole head, I find it easier for me to do one section at a time, but still do the waves in the same manner and connect them as you go. Always want to make sure you're doing doing some little features on the edges and the hairline to give that nice soft look. So right here I am, as you can see, I'm still doing the forward C and the backward C, and I'm still connecting the waves, but each section I kind of want the waves going in a different way. But they still connect when you get ready to finish the head. And you see this foam is not moving, it's not running. I did not apply anymore while I was waving her hair. This is from the initial application. The foam is lit, like it really is. It took some time, trial and error, to get it the way that we wanted it, but it is lit. I will put the link to the foam wrap in the description box below. And we're just going and connecting. And like I said before, when the hair is shorter, she wears her hair pretty short, so the shorter the hair is, especially for beginners, it's always easier to do when the hair is shorter. So when you want to practice, find you somebody that has a nice pixie cut that's cut short, not a mannequin. It's very hard to wave mannequins, and just do it. The only way that you're going to get better at it, you have to actually do it. You can watch 100 tutorials and videos and everything, but until you actually do it and practice, that's how you're going to get better with it. And the same, doing the sides, you do your little features and stuff on the sides. You can either do your sideburns like the S, or I like to do the circle sideburns when they have enough. And leave your client some sideburns. You just don't know how important that is and how much more it makes the style just looks more up to date and not so dated. And then as I'm curling, I'm sorry, but I kind of had the camera on the wrong side, so my hand is in the way. But you're curling in the direction of the wave, and I am using my H2 Pro micro iron. It's 3/10. And so I just kind of curl in the direction of the wave. And, you know, if you can see, each time I'm kind of like patting to keep the hair down, so that when the hair cools, it's gonna be the way that the hair was. Because if you curl it and let it cool off and it's not flat, the hair is gonna be sticking up. And would y'all believe that I color her hair with conditioner? This isn't even color. It's a color conditioner by Chi. I think the color is royalty blue or something like that, and it's Chi, CHI. I got it at Cosmoprof, and it's actually the bomb. And that, you know, it's like a 2-in-1. You can color the hair and condition it at the same time. That's like amazing. Why didn't I think of that? Some people like to call this style the Betty Boop. It does kind of remind me of how Betty Boop hair used to be. So this part I kind of speeding it up now because you guys get the hang of it, but I did not speed it up in the beginning because I wanted you to be actually be able to see what I'm doing. So we're not going to really touch the sides too much. You go back in and, you know, clean up the hairline, and voila. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell.